A Day in My Life as a Management Accounting Student, 4th year edition!
Hi, this is Anyara. Come along with me on today's journey.
So, samahan niyo ko on my day 3 of OJT. At ito nga, nakasakay na ako ng tricycle. And papunta na ako sa aking office, which is, my time is 7 in the morning. And nandito na yung friend ko at late siya. So, yun na nga. At nag-transfer kami ng mga papers and lunch na. And syempre, hindi mawawala yung selfie sa mirror, sa CR. And yun na nga. At yung friend namin nandun pa. And we are waiting na dahil pauwi na kami. So, yun lang muna guys. Thank you for watching on my day 3. Kapoy kami dahil marami kaming ginawa sa office.
Day 3 survive!
But yeah, very happy of what we done, what we experienced on our OJT in order for us to learn and to know more. So yun lang. Thank you for watching. Bye!